I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to insert a column. Adding a new column to your spreadsheet is a fundamental skill for organizing data effectively. We'll focus on the most common and straightforward method, which is widely applicable across various spreadsheet programs. This approach helps maintain the integrity of your existing data while providing space for new information. Let's dive right into the steps. The simplest way to insert a column is by using the right-click method. First, select the entire column immediately to the right of where you wish your new column to be. You do this by clicking on its letter at the very top. Next, right-click anywhere on that highlighted column to bring up a context menu. From there, simply select Insert or Insert one column left to add your new, empty column. Once you've performed the insertion, a brand new, empty column will instantly appear to the left of your original selection. Don't worry about your existing data. Everything to the right of the new column automatically shifts over by one position. Most spreadsheet programs are smart enough to adjust any formulas or formatting you have, ensuring your calculations remain correct and your sheet looks just right. Here are a few helpful tips for managing your columns. Always double-check which column you've selected before inserting to ensure the new one appears in the correct spot. It's also a good practice to immediately add a clear, descriptive header to your newly inserted column. Remember, if you need more than one column, you can select multiple existing columns and insert them all at once, saving you time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.